KeepTruckin automates your IFTA fuel tax reporting. The KeepTruckin ELD uses GPS to detect when your vehicle crosses a jurisdiction boundary. The Summary tab shows the total distance your vehicle's traveled and the total amount of fuel purchased in each jurisdiction. You can filter by date range and vehicle type. If you need more detail, you can view daily trip reports for any vehicle in your fleet. You can also view fuel purchase records for every vehicle. You can add fuel purchases individually or in bulk by uploading a CSV file from your fuel card vendor. Your drivers can also enter their fuel purchases from the KeepTruckin app. That makes it easy to prepare your quarterly IFTA fuel tax report. Simply export the summary and fill out the IFTA form for your state. KeepTruckin is the easiest to use and most affordable electronic logging system in the market. If you have any questions, visit support.keeptruckin.com or contact us at 855-434-3564.